Diorgang, welcome back to my channel. So I have a special guest with me here again. You might remember Rashun from my other video, the Valentines.
Hi Diorgang.
Yes. So today we're going to be doing a really fun Halloween makeup tutorial, and I'm just going to be catching up like we always do.
Yep.
And kind of just being creative and doing something that's fun today. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. And where can they follow you?
At a_silenced_poet
Yes.
on Instagram.
Make sure you follow him as well. He has such dope content on his page, and he has a lot of fun things coming up. So you guys should
yes.
really look forward to that.
Thanks, Rave.
So what do you have today?
What
did
today,
you bring?
A special treat. Well,
What did you bring?
to honor basically what we shot about a year ago, I wanted to bring back something that was really like a hit or a miss, which was Dazzle Drops, MAC Cosmetics, just freaking fantastic.
Love them.
Yeah.
Still do. Still love the
Like,
packaging.
look at the freaking color.
Look at that. Like, let me look at this again.
Yeah.
I get amazed every time. So cute. What else do you have?
I have the Patrick Star / MAC powder, pressed powder, which I absolutely adore.
Ooh, that's a what? A highlighter?
Highlighter.
I love that.
Yeah.
When did that drop? How long have you had that?
I've had this for about maybe a year.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, so we're not gonna chat any longer. Let's get right into this look. I'm really excited. You know, I usually do like a really nice skull with Rashun. Like, for some reason my skulls come out amazing when I work on his face for Halloween. So I kind of wanted to do something that was kind of similar yet different than what we've done in the past.
Yeah, when she messaged me, guys, we were literally on the same wavelength.
Yes, like
I was
always, pretty much.
like, yes, I was just about to message you about a new skull, because every year Rashun always has to get a new skull.
Yes. So what's new?
What's new? In all honesty, a lot since COVID hit. Yeah, I ended up getting a new job. I'm creating a lot of content. I'm honestly really happy with life, to be honest with you.
So, do you have any ideas for Halloween? Like, are you gonna do anything? Are you gonna dress up?
I don't know what I want to do. That's the thing. I feel like every year I have a plan. Like, I kid you not, guys. Literally every year I have a plan, but this year it's just been chaos.
So I'm gonna be using this MAC Prep and Prime to just set Rashun's face before we get started. Close your eyes.
Prime me.
So, how did you make out during COVID? What was that like? Turn a little bit.
In all honesty, I'm gonna be real with you guys right now. Rashun Darrow did not make out okay during COVID. Talk about anxiety, panic. You think the whole world's gonna freaking end. Like, I'm like, this is a zombie apocalypse. Like, this is like, it's a wrap for us all. But no, how the media was like portraying it. It was just really just over the top, just scary. Because we've never been faced with this, and this is something that's so dangerous, and I feel for all the families affected by this. But it's just like, I was in mass hysteria. And you know, to be out of work for so long as well, and just like out of the normal, being locked away, you know, under quarantine, it was really just, it was scary.
How did you say, like, inspired? Were you? Like, were you able to come up with anything creative during that time?
Actually, yes. For me, being away from work and not being able to do photo shoots or to be away from like the store, it kind of gave us all extra time. It gave me especially extra time to work on my own creative. So basically, come 2021, I'm just gonna do everything.
I completely feel you. Like, COVID has really made me have to really look at the quality of my content and improve. You know, like, worry about myself more than anything else.
Yeah. I can't wait for like all of you guys and just everyone to see like what I have up my sleeve, because I feel like it's time to break the internet.
Definitely, and I just kind of want 2021 to be all about that.
Yeah.
You know, I see a lot ahead for you, honestly.
Yeah.
You have so much talent, and I just can't wait to like see how far you go.
Likewise, like you're talking about talent, but here you are like literally just about to create this freaking iconic look.
Thank you.
By the way, guys, pink is my favorite color.
And I literally discovered that today.
Yeah, soft pink, like Rose Girl, they hit different. They hit different.
So do you have any cool projects that are coming up?
So yeah, to be honest, we have a few. I am working on a few campaigns for 2021 for my job where I work presently at, and I think that's going to be really exciting. I can't really go into too much detail regarding that, but for my own personal content, I want to kind of challenge myself in 2021, and I want to shoot more, be in front of the camera more.
Everyone is ready for your YouTube, Rashun.
I'm telling you. And then I really want to get back into filming and doing like short films. It's like, it's been a whirlwind for 2020, guys.
Yes. It's like literally 2020 has been just week after week processing
different
new things that are happening, good and bad.
I just hope that if you're struggling right now, I just really hope that you pull yourself out and you're safe and you're okay, because right now, like 2020, like as we stated, is just really difficult.
Yes, and you know, a lot of people are still trying to get used to COVID and like life with COVID, you know?
So what about you? Do you have any upcoming projects?
Yes, I have a lot of content for Halloween for this month.
Okay.
Some really dope stuff that I'm working on. I hope everything can come together because, you know, I really want to push myself this year. I usually do the Halloween looks and stuff.
Yeah.
But I just want to take it to another level. You know, I want the production, I want the looks, I want everything. I want it to be high quality, and you know, all of that takes time and preparation. So I'm hoping that I can get everything ready so this month everyone can see what I've come up with. So we've got most of the base done. I kind of had to do some stuff off camera just to kind of get the color. But we're gonna get ready to do some of the teeth and add all the fine details. I'm really, really excited about this.
I can't wait to see this, guys. I've yet to see it.
Yes, sit tight as you have been. I mean, we have a little bit more to do, but it's coming together. This process is so tedious though. But I mean, this isn't like the last look that we did where you had all these rhinestones on your face.
The rhinestone look took.
That was like such a tedious look. Like I was so inspired that day. I felt so
No, but I wanted
that,
that, you know, because it looks so cool.
Yeah.
It turned so many heads, and then I remember going home the night of my parents and their family was over, because Halloween is always is my father's birthday.
Oh!
So the family was over, and I walked into that kitchen and everyone was just blown away.
Oh wow.
Literally, they were just like shocked.
Wow, that's amazing.
They wanted to know who did this, why was this done, you know, and I'm like, dog, it's Halloween, but like Raven hooked me up.
That's dope. So, are you ready to show them the big reveal?
Hell yes.
Alright, so I'm presenting to you a neon skull. I think we're just gonna call it that. You can probably comment below what you think I should name this skull. Watching this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Rashun, for always being a good model and a nice guest. I hope that we can do some more videos together pretty soon.
Hell yes, I enjoyed this experience, and as you guys can see, I've been snatched.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Comment below some other looks that you would want to see, and I hope that all of you have a really safe Halloween this year.
I just want to give a quick shout out to Casey. You slayed my hair, and then Raven just slayed my makeup. So
Alright, bye guys. See you next time.
bye guys.